So let's look at what is this. You have a triangular, course with 3 sides. Then 8 and 5. I draw it here. So I want to find the area using the formula. So let's try to find out this one, 11.5 times the 11.5 minus 5, okay, times 11.5 minus 10, then times 11.5 minus 8. So you get square root of this number here, 392, right? So square root of 392 here by 4375, and that will give you answer 19.81 as expected. 19.81, this is mile square. Alright, so this is the area of the triangle. Okay, so this is the first part. Second part will be slightly harder. So let me WhatsApp this part to you first, and otherwise you'll forget, right? So okay, so WhatsApp this part to you first. For people who miss, anyway, I record the lesson. Hopefully you'll work there. So this is the first part. Okay, then we'll look at the second part. So second part, let me copy first. Okay. Okay, second part. Okay, so just now I have a triangle. Let me copy the triangle as well. So okay, the triangle here. Okay, so hence use the answer to calculate the shortest. Okay, we have to use the answer. All right, we have to use the answer. So just now the answer was 19.81. Okay, so just the answer was 19.81. So use the answer. You need to use the answer here. What you will try to find out is to calculate the shortest distance from the longest side to opposite corner of the triangle. Okay, what does it mean? So the shorter distance from the longer side. So where is the longer side? The longer side is this one. Okay, so longer side is this one. Longer side. Right, then the shortest distance from the longer side. Okay, the shortest distance from the longer side is actually this one, 90 degree. Okay, this edge here, shortest distance from the to the opposite corner of the triangle, and so this is B. B is the base here. So we know area of triangle is half times base times height. Okay, and we know that this area from the answer is 19.81. Okay, just now we calculate this. This is 19.81. Okay, the base is 10, the height I don't know. So let's calculate here. So half, the base is 10, the height I don't know, 19.81. So height is equal to, this one cancel here, is 5 now. So 19.81 divided by 5. And find that this is equal to 3.96. Okay, mouse. Okay, so this is how you answer the second part. All right, so let me WhatsApp this to you. So WhatsApp this to you here. So this answer question 1. Okay, so I finished question 1. Let's see how is everybody doing here. Okay, so still have Muhammad Ajamin, Tan Boon Siong, Dutch, Duchess Sika, not here yet. Okay, so now move on to second question. Hollow shaft have internal diameter 9 millimeter to show you in diagram there. External diameter 42, shown in the diagram also. Find the area of shaded region. Okay, so this one is for you to find area of circle, right? So area of circle, what is that equal to? Okay, remember there are 2 circles there. Okay, one big circle. Okay, one small circle. You take the small circle, big circle minus small circle, then you get the one with hollow one, right? So this is what you want. So remember, area of a circle is what? Area of circle. All these formula will be given to you is pi r squared, where r is the radius. Okay, r is the radius here. So for this, the r for the big circle is 42 over 2, right? So the first area is pi r squared. R is 42 over 2, you square it, right? First one. Second one is also pi r squared, but r is this time 9 over 2. You square it. Okay, take a difference, then you get the area of the shaded region. So let's try what is this one. So 42 over 2, of course, is 21. So 21 pi square, right? And minus 9, 4 over 9 is 4.5. 4.5 square, right? So let's see what is this one now. 21 square minus 4.5 square. This one is actually 42076.75 times pi. So when you multiply by pi, okay, shift pi is actually 1322. 1322, about 1322 lah. And this is a millimeter square. Okay, so you take the big one minus the small one. Eventually, okay, so let's see, so this is a big one, big circle, minus the small circle. So whatever left will be this one. Okay, so this is 1322 millimeter square. Okay, so let me WhatsApp this to you. So WhatsApp this to you here. Okay. Okay, let's see how somebody here still have. How about this one, Muhammad near Iskandar? Now come left this place here. Okay, so there is a second question. I finished already. So the question. A ship sails a circular course around a point and maintain a constant distance of 4.0 km from it until the point author is bearing by 49 degrees. Oh, find the distance traveled. Okay, so this is part. How do you analyze this question? So this is a circular course. First of all, move around a circle. Okay, move around a circle about a point. So of course the circle has a point, so understood. And maintain a constant distance of 4.0 km. Okay, constant distance, what is that? That's a radius, alright? So you have a circle. Okay, let's draw a circle here. Okay, center, and the radius is 4 km. So the ship move around the circular course. And what else? It move. How much is move here? It move until the point alters the angle by 49 degrees. Okay, alters by 49 degrees. So how much is move? 49 degrees. So suppose the ship is here, then later on the ship is another one. Alright, it's actually move 49 degrees. Calculate the distance in sails. Okay, I want to find out what is the distance here. So what is this distance here? let's call it D here. It's actually move from one point to another point. So how do you find the distance here? First of all, you can find the circumference, or call a parameter here. So for a circle, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, so this complete circle is 2 pi r. Now, for this sector, and this is a sector here. So this is actually a sector here, right? This is a sector. Okay, length of sector, let's say P, let's say we call it P Q R, right? So PQR here. So length of sector is arc length of PQR, right? Arc length of PQR here. Okay, from P move from Q to R, right? It's actually there's a calculation. It's portion of a like pizza slide here is actually 49 out of 360 of 2 pi r. Okay, 49 out of 360, the total of a circle angle is 360. So this is actually 49 360 times 2 pi times r is 4 now, 4 kilometer. So let's calculate here. This is 49 out of 360 times 8 pi now. So 8 times pi. So this will give you 3.42 kilometer. Okay. So this is how to answer question 3. Okay. So let me WhatsApp this to you. Okay. Very often it's understanding the question, what the question wanted to find. Okay, so now still have 2 person not here yet, Muhammad and Jamin, and Muhammad now is Skanta. I don't know what happened. So this is question 3. Now we move on to question 4. Read the question first. A sheep on steaming trial is turning in a circle on a pop hill. She takes 6.5 minutes steaming at 5 knots to complete a circle. Okay, I think somebody tried to message me. Let's see what I see. Got somebody. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, Muhammad Iskandar is here. Can somebody say anything? Patrick also. Okay, Patrick also answer here. Okay, we have the question a bit tricky here. What he's trying to say. So there are a lot of information here. So this ship is moving in a circle. Okay, so the ship is moving in a circle. So take note that. So it is circle now. You know something to do with circle now. So let's try. So the question about circle. Moving around in the pot. Okay, and she takes 6.5 minutes steaming at 5 knots. Be a circle. So there are a few things here. One of them is the time. So let's say this is the time here. Let's use different color now. Time 6. Okay, time. So there's a circle. This is the time. There's a steaming at 5 knots. So this is another information. This is the speed here. So let me write something. So this is time. This is the speed. Right? Moving a circle. So what do you know about circle first? In one round, complete a circle in one round, right? So you have circle, let's draw a circle here. This circle. And the complete in one round, that means okay, what do you know about the information? We know speed is equal to distance over time. So how much distance is travel here? So this is 5 knots here. The distance we don't know, so leave it there. Time is 6 minutes. Okay, usually you want to convert to hour first. The 6.5 minutes here. 6.5 minutes here. Okay, let's try to convert first. 1 nautical miles is 1 knot, right? So this is 1852. So let's look at the conversion. So let's try to do the conversion here. So 5 knots is 5 times 1852 meter. Okay, 5 knots. Okay, 1 knot is 1 nautical mile. 1 knot. What does it mean? It's 1 nautical mile per hour. Okay, 1 knot is this. Okay, so 5 knots is 1852 miles. Nautical miles per any. Okay, 5 knots is 5 nautical miles per hour. 1 nautical mile is 1852 meter. And distance, I don't know. I'm going to convert them into this meter. And then 6.5 minutes is how much hour here? So I know that 60 minutes is 1 hour. So 6.5 minutes is how many hour now? So do a conversion. Okay, so it's 6.5 hours 60, right? Hour. 6.5 hour 60 hour. So this is actually meter per hour, yeah. So when they multiply it out, the distance the ship travel is actually 5 times 1852 times 6.5 over 60, okay, meter now. So let's calculate this one. So this is 5 times 1852 times 6.5 divided by 60, and this get 1003. So this is 1003 meter. It's the distance. That means going one round, okay, going one round from one point to another point, going one round. This is 1003 meter. So this actually answer part A only. Okay, so answer A. So answer is A is 1003 meter. Okay, so there are quite a few information. Let me use the color to highlight them. Okay, so I have a speed there. Speed. There is 5 knots. 1 knot is 1 nautical mile. 1 nautical mile is 1852 meter per hour. And then have a time. Time of this one is 6.5 minutes. 6.5 minutes is 6.5 over 60 in terms of hour. 6.5 over 60 in terms of hour. So from there, you can find the distance you travel by the ship. So I will set this to you first. Let's see how anybody doing. Okay. Okay, now move on to the second part of the question. So we find the diameter of a circle now. So how to find diameter of a circle? Okay, first, part B now. Circumference of a circle is part B, right? Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r here. So pi r, 2r is the diameter. Okay, 2r diameter here. And what is it equal to? It's 1003. We find the answer is 103. 103 here. So pi times d, diameter here, is 1003. So d is actually 1003 over pi. So 1003 over pi here. Okay, pi. Is 319. meter. Okay, this answer for part B now. Find the diameter. So diameter, let's use different color here. So let's see, I use the purple color here. diameter, right? Diameter is this one. Okay, 2 pi r is the circumference of a circle, which is, we know that 2 pi r is equal to 1003 from earlier part. So d is equal to this one now. So this is equal to 319. So this is, I think, the hardest question so far. Not really hardest, because there are more complicated questions there. So okay, so what's up to you? All right. So this question, I feel a lot of information while them the ship move in a circle, and then bring in the time and speed, so that you can find the distance to complete the circle. Okay, then afterward, I going to find the diameter of a circle. So this part, question 4. So anyone got an issue? Because this one is a bit difficult to interpret the question, right? I think the problem is interpretation of question, okay? I still have Muhammad Ajamin not here yet. Okay, so Muhammad Ajamin not here yet. Why? Okay, so now last question already, huh? A circle with a center O, diameter 20. If the length of the chord AB is 18, find the area of a sector and the segment ACB. I see a bit of things here. Okay, first of all, diameter was diameter 20, right? So one of them, diameter 20. What is trying to tell you now? So that means that t equal 20. So radius equal 10. So radius equal 10. Let's see here. So you can see that this 10 here. So this 10. If the length of chord is 18, chord is what? Chord is this one, 18. AB. Okay. AB is 18. So this part is 18 here. Okay, this is another information. Okay, length of the chord is 18 here. Okay, 18 cm. Find the area of sector OACB. Sector OACB, what does it mean? Okay, sector OACB, sector OACB. Let's try to this one. Area OACB sector. I want to find area. First part. Then the meaning of sector is like a pizza slice. So what they want is actually this piece here. So O, A, C, B. I want the area. This is the first part. Okay, area is the first part there. So how do you find the area of you need this angle theta here? So area is actually area of sector now. Is equal to theta over 360, okay, times pi r square. Because area of the circle is pi r square, so you know the angle theta first over 360. So it's a portion of a circle. So r is 10. Okay, fine. You can find this theta over 360 pi times 10 square. Alright, so this one, the only thing we don't know what is the theta here now. So how do you find theta here? From the triangle, you can see that, okay, I have a triangle here. So this triangle here, this theta, this 10, this 10, this 18, right? So you can use a triangle, let's say AB squared, right? So you use the law of cosine. To find theta. So law of cosine says that, okay, AB squared here, AB here. So AB squared equal to OA square plus OB square minus 2 OA OB cosine theta. So AB is 18, so it's 18 square. OA is 10. OB is also 10. Minus 2 times 10 times 10 times cosine theta. So arrange them. I have this 10, right? So I can find that. Okay, so equal to 10 square. Okay, cosine theta likewise is equal to 1. Just try the arrangement. Okay, let's do slowly here in case some of you get lost. The cosine theta here. Okay, A is equal to 10 square plus 10 square minus 18 square. So let's calculate here. So 10 square plus 10 square minus 18 square. Okay, do I make mistake there? 10 square plus 10 square. Okay, minus 1. Minus 124. So cosine theta is actually minus 124 over 200. Right? So you have 200 here. Okay, so you can minus 0.62. That means that theta is equal to how much? Cosine inverse, the answer. You get something more than 90 degree now. So shift cosine answer, and you find that 128.13. So it's actually about 128.19, right? Okay, so I get this 128 here. All right, so I find the first angle is 128 now. So now I bring this back to find the area. Okay, area of a sector is the green color one. So in order to find area, I need to find theta. I find theta from here. So now let's find out what is this one now. It's 128 now. 128 over 360 times 100 pi. So get 128 divided by 360 times 100 pi. Okay, so you get 111.7. 111.7 is 112 lah, huh? 112, and this cm squared. Okay, so that finished the area sector. So you know what is area sector? A sector is like a pizza slice. Okay, that's why I highlight to you area sector is like pizza slice. Okay, in order to find this, I need to find the angle first. The angle theta is 128 degree using law of cosine. So that is how I did the question 5A, first part. So what's up to you? So this is the first part, how to find the area of a sector. Now the second part. Find the area of the segment. So what do you mean by segment now? Segment is another story here. So next slide here. So I want to find the area of the segment now. Okay, so I want to find area segment ACB. So what does it mean by segment ACB? This is a segment is created by the chord. The chord is AB, so it actually has a minor segment here. Okay, minor segment here, ACB. So if you draw it, this is what you want. You have a AB. Now, AB, okay, AB here. Then you erase all these things, so you get this one. Okay, AB, C, right? So I want this segment here. So you actually, how to find the area of the segment here? You imagine the O is here now. This 10, this 10, this 128, this 18. Okay, so in order to find the area of the segment, so it's actually area of segment which is the blue color one, is equal to area sector minus area of triangle. Right? Area sector, just now I use a green color, area sector I use green color one, right? So this area sector is actually holding the green color one. Okay, so I will just erase this one. I use the green color one now. Okay, you can see that I use the green color one. Take away the area of triangle. So a triangle, I use this one. Okay, what is area of sector? Do you know? Actually, I found answer already. Area of sector from part A, we find that this is equal to 112. Okay, 112 cm square, right? From early part. Then minus for earlier calculation. Minus area of a triangle. How to find area of triangle? Okay, area of triangle, let's try to figure out here. Area of triangle. We know these three sides there already, right? So you can use the formula again. Area of triangle is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Right, three sides here, where S equal to half of A plus B plus C. We know that this half times, okay, three sides here, 10 plus 10 plus 18. So this actually 30, right? 10 plus 10 plus 18 You get 38 divided by 2, and 19. So this is equal to 19. Then 19 minus 10, one side radius. 19 minus 10, another one side radius. Okay, is 10. And then 19 minus 18. Okay, you can say that, all right, suppose this is, okay, let's say A is 10, right? Let's say this, of course, just three sides, just don't worry about which one is A, B, C, okay? So you get actually square root of 19 times 9 times 9 times 1. So 19 times 9 times 9, take the square root, okay, 1539. And then into the square root, $11.54. Okay, so cm square. So this is 11.54. So you subtract 11.54. Okay, so do I make a mistake somewhere? 1539, right? Do I make a mistake somewhere? Let's see. Let me calculation mistake here. I think a mistake there, right? I think, oh, I pressed the wrong button. Okay, this is not correct. I pressed the wrong button here. I pressed the keyword button. Okay, so go back first. 1539. Okay, take a square root first. Okay, 1539, say 39.23. Okay, cm square. So this one is 39.2. Okay, so you'll find that the area of the segment after you calculate is 72.7, okay, cm square after you got this. So 112 minus, okay, 112 minus 39.2 is actually 72.8 here, cm square. Okay, so the calculation is divided into two parts. One is to find the area of sector for earlier part, and you find the area of triangle. You subtract the area of triangle, then you can find the area of segment. So this is the last part of question 5. So WhatsApp this to you.